Through the magic of the next day sun, we give you a much nicer view. Good morning from the south beach of Nazare. And as you can see, the waves are breaking and it's looking absolutely beautiful.
Gorgeous. Can't swim, but not only the fact it's a little cold, it's like 64 degrees, but it's very dangerous here. They don't even allow you to get your feet wet. In
the scheme of things, these waves here are considered very small. Anywhere else in the world, they would be considered huge.
I wouldn't swim in here if you even paid me.
Trying to estimate how large they are. I mean, that one's got to be about 15, 20 feet high. What would you say, Jeannie?
I don't know. It's pretty high. It's high enough to where I wouldn't swim in it. That's for sure.
And of course, out there on the point is the fort, and on the other side is where the really big waves break. We might go back over there today, this afternoon, when the sun comes around, and get some additional footage.
Mm-hmm. They're so large, right? Look at that one.
And down there is the town square where we'll be taking you next. Do you like this little town?
I do. You know me and the beaches all go good together.
I don't like swimming in the ocean water, but I certainly like looking at it.
She's got this ice cream under control. Up there where the flags are is where we first started yesterday.
Gotcha.
It wasn't beautiful like it is today.
It was just as beautiful, it just wasn't sunny. Still was a beautiful day, as we weren't sitting in an office in front of a computer.
Amen.
Look how those cliffs almost look like they could fall down up there. They hang way off.
They are quite suspended, carved out from thousands of years of the water rushing through. And what we have here looks like Main Street.
Downtown Main Street. This is quite cute. Look at those little hotels with the balcony and the umbrellas.
Very nice.
Look, they have the police station they made out of the church.
That's right. Okay, so we'll walk up to the top here. And maybe we'll get a shot of the tram going up, which we now know is in service because we saw it earlier going up.
very strange how they would convert a church into a police station.
This looks like some of the original buildings for this town. And some of the renovated ones. As we get closer to the top, we'll see if you can get you some better footage of these cliffs. As a matter of fact, Jeannie and I are planning on going back up there today, so maybe we'll bring the drone out and grab some sunny footage. Give you a little view down Main Street. Many cafes to help pass the time of day. One of the many beautiful streets here in Nazare. And another one. And one more. Jeannie and I have made it to the North Beach, and unfortunately the sun is right in the lens at this time of the day, but we are going to go down and see where the monster waves form, even though obviously they're not this time of the year. It's about another month or two and the big waves come in, but at least we can take you down here.
They claim in the end of October.
The end of October?
Yeah.
Okay. October, November.
And as you know, we're in the beginning of October.
A lot of the videos I've seen on the big waves, when you look at the spectators, they're all dressed in winter clothing, so it's got to be fairly cold during that period of time. So I'm sure they're wearing some type of thermal wetsuit. Down here on this beach, the North Beach, there is no lifeguards. You are on your own.
No flag warning.
They expect you, there's absolutely no flag warnings. They expect you to use common sense here. If you are not a strong swimmer, you have no business going in the water here, because you are going to get sucked out, and that's the end. Nobody's here to save you. Nobody.
We're walking down there. We'll take you down there.
Indeed we will. I hope this footage does justice, but the drop-off here is incredible. How fast and how steep. During the period of the big waves, I'm sure they come directly over here. Because right now, they're coming right up to here, where we are, standing. Some of these bigger ones right now, I'd have to run. You can see the shelf that we're standing on. And then there's another lower shelf right here. Jeannie has pointed out that there's a cave over there, so maybe we'll walk over there and check it out. So this would be cave 1. And this is about as far as you can go, as far as the water goes. And we'll head into the other side. Which I believe is just a archway. Water's been rushing through here for centuries, carving out this beautiful circular hole. this beach is massive. It is so